53 years in water filtration, water softening business is basically unheard of today. For over a half century, Angel Water has been helping customers get healthier, cleaner, safer water for their families and for their homes. When it comes to your family's health, experience does matter, because if you're trusting a water company that doesn't know what they're doing, then you are the one that's taking the risk. Now, a little bit about us. Angel Water's been around for over 50 years, and what have we been doing for those 50 years? Well, we have grown and grown and grown and grown, and we've had the blessed opportunity to serve more and more people because we have one basic mission in mind, and that is to take care of the families that we serve. Now, taking care of families, when you interview everybody, there's two things that matter to people. It's make themselves and their families more healthy and save them money. And so a lot of what we do is being able to explain to our customers slowly and surely how water filtration can do that. And a lot of people don't understand it. It's like, how do you help us save money? I mean, I might get the healthy, make us healthier with cleaner water, but how do you save money? Well, here's the thing. Taking care of your family means that we look at what toxins are in the water, and then what products are certified by National Sanitation Foundation, which is nsf.org, for those contaminants. See, in my industry, there's a lot of deception that takes place. People will say, yeah, our products are NSF certified, but that doesn't mean they're certified for the toxin that you have. There's hundreds of different toxins that are getting in the water supply. By the way, don't you think that manufacturers are coming out with more and more chemicals? Well, of course they are. I mean, there's so many variations of just PFASs out there. That's forever chemicals. So every day someone is inventing something new, it can get into our water supply, which then can cause us illness. And see, for us, our job, my job, is to take care of you. So really say, how do I take care of you? And in order to do that, it's without question, sit down with you, identify by city, or if you're in a well, get a well water test of the things that are in your water. Sometimes the water's great. If it is, we high five you, we get out, at least you and your family know where you're at. And in a year or two, if you're concerned again, have us out again, we can check it again. And if we're right up front honest with you, you probably will refer us out to 2 or 3 people, because not everyone has great water. So identifying what's in the water is stage 1. Every company should identify for you what's in your water. And there's some great tools out there. I mean, I'm not talking about the water test results from the city. Yes, those are important, but they sort of hide all the other chemicals that they find in your water, because if it's not exceeding the EPA level, they don't really talk about it. So there's a great organization called the Environmental Working Group. It's a nonprofit, so it's ewg.org, and there is one of our key tools that we research what's in your water. So once we define, I don't know what it is, maybe there would be PFASs. That's what that movie Dark Waters was all about. Mark Ruffalo did a phenomenal job in that movie, and that's all about 3M and DuPont and how unbelievably awful they were. Like, we still, as a society, don't realize what they did to America. They knowingly poisoned America. They knew it, and they didn't care, because it's all about profits. It's all about American demand, because we wanted these products, right? We want no-stick pans. That makes our life easy. We want clothing that repels water. So that's 3M's product, right? DuPont is the non-stick pan. We want our carpet like this to be non-staining. We want to be able to wash it easily. That's what we want, these things, without thinking that, wait a second, there's nasty chemicals attached to that. And one day this is going to land in the landfill, and then it's going to slowly dissolve and leach itself into our drinking water. Man, that's crazy, right? So today, we are living, our families, your family, my family, we are living in an environment where we need to care for ourselves. And the best way that I know to care for you is education. It starts with identifying what's in your water and then marrying that with a product that has an NSF 58 or 401 certification to take the toxins out of the water. Now, again, there might be something random that's in the water. Maybe there's, if you're on well water, coliform, like 12 to 14% of all wells have coliform. That's like human or animal waste that's getting into the well, and then people are pumping that into their home and they're utilizing it. Maybe it's lead. You live in a city like Chicago where they used lead service lines till 1984. Hello? I mean, we knew that it was bad for the Romans, right? I mean, it ruined their society, arguably, was the case. So we know lead was really bad, and yet we still use that because we wanted something easy when it came to plumbing in the plumbing pipes and putting water lines together. So that said, our job is to be able to get you well educated, test your water, identify what's in it, and then marry that with a product that takes it out. And then when we come back to water, how does it save you money? Well, A, you're not buying bottled water anymore. But B, here's a crazy thing. When you have a filter that takes out a lot of the minerals that causes buildup, that white film that's on your shower stall, right? Everyone gets that. You get it on your, from brushing your teeth and water and splashing the hands, and the mirror looks all white and gunky. Well, what is that? That's calcium that's in the water in many cases, or maybe even high levels of chlorine. So there, we want to take a system that takes that out, which means you can use soft water, clean water to clean the window. The most natural solvent in the world is clean water. I mean, it's crazy. We are all conditioned as Americans to go, hey, we need a chemical to fix this. We need Windex, we need Pine Sol, we need... But that's not true. You really don't need all those things. And when we come out to your house, our customer happiness manager is designed, our program is designed to show you, not tell you, but literally show you what's up with your water, show you the things that are in there, and show you how you and your family are spending money. Every day there's someone, and it's called Procter & Gamble, right? Every day they're pulling dollars, Windex, Pine Sol, Cascade, Tide, Downy, I mean, hand soap, liquid soap. It's just on and on and on that they're taking money out of your wallet. And why are you doing that? And that's because most water in America, about 90% of the water in America, has minerals in the water or things in the water that makes you clean up after that. So that said, again, what we're about here at Angel Water is pretty simple. 53 years of experience in understanding three basic factors. One, we understand the physics of what size water equipment you would need to filter your water. We understand the chemistry of your water. And then we're licensed plumbing contractors, so we are mechanically inclined to be able to install that in for you. So those three things are what a good water treatment company has to understand when treating your water. They need to understand the physics, they need to understand the chemistry, and they need to understand and be licensed, if the state requires it, to be a licensed plumbing contractor to plumb that in your house. Those things are critical. It's also critical to do water testing and understand what you're wrestling with. I mean, my industry, we have people come in and just throw down brochures and say, you need to buy this. And it's like, how do you know? Well, I know all your neighbors. It's like, no, everyone's water is a little different. And so that's all about why we offer a personalized service that takes about an hour, maybe an hour and a half when we come out to you, is we want to be able to educate you first. Then if we can help you understand what's in your water, then we'll marry you with a product that can take it out. And again, that's our overall goal, is education. We hope that that resonates with you and your family, because we'd love to be able to serve you. So if you have 3 friends and, or family members that you love and care for, well, we'd love it if you could share this video with them, because this hopefully will inspire them to have us come out and help them with their water. If you need us at all, you can reach us at angelwater.com, or you could call us at 847-382-7800. And as all of you know, my name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.